Good morning, it's day 2 here in Montreal, and last night we were a bit too tired to vlog, but this is what we did last night. Okay, so back to day 2. So today, Kevin and me, we're going to Montreal City. We're gonna explore some places over there. Try to shoot some hyperlapses, some time lapses, some cool B-roll, and yeah, we'll see what it brings today. Cause the weather isn't that great; it's kind of gray, but I'll just make the best out of it. Let's go! So one thing we noticed here in Montreal is the architecture, and if you look at this row of houses right here, it's so nice, it's so sick. This is kind of flashy, like a lot of colors, quite modern looking, but when you look around over there it's like gothic, but it's really cool. You should turn around and have a look. So we just had some lunch here in Montreal in a kind of bistro cafe, and we were shooting hyperlapses before and shooting in the different streets here, heading our way to Montreal. But I think we're not going up. I think we're not going up the mount. I think we're not gonna go up the mountain just yet. I think we're gonna do it tomorrow, because tomorrow we have a special plan. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet. So now we're gonna go to the Notre Dame. It's kind of a big church. We're also gonna go to some parks around here and to the old town. Yeah, just stay tuned. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. So we finally arrived at the Notre Dame. We walked all the way here. Actually, the walk was not so long. It wasn't quite of a distance, but we did had a lot of stops because there were a lot of streets that we wanted to shoot and places that we just wanted to see. So after the walk, we finally arrived here at the Notre Dame, as you can see behind you. And now we're going inside. Hopefully it isn't too expensive. I hope it's just free, but if they ask money, they charge money, no problem. I just hope it's not too expensive.
Yeah.